Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create zero point 0.5 outfit image effects on Higgsfield AI. So this is what it looks like, and if you want to create something like this, all you have to do is to go to this website higgsfield.ai, scroll and sign in into your account if you already have one, or create one if you do not have already. So once you're on the website, scroll to the Higgsfield source section, which is the image effects section. Click on the zero point 0.5 outfit. You'll be brought to a page similar to this. Select a picture or a photo that speaks to you or you would like to recreate. Let's assume I want to do this for recreate this one. Click on it and you'll be brought to a page like this where you can actually click on recreate. So once you click on the recreate icon, it brings you to a page where you can actually modify or tweak the image prompt to make it yours, and proceed from there. So once you have the prompt here, you can actually reframe it or rephrase it to suit your purpose, and then change the aspect ratio if you want to, or switch between the high and the basic qualities to moderate or maximize the amount of credits you use. Then you can, once you do that, you can click on generate. Once your image is generated, which will be generated in few seconds, click on the animate icon here, switch between video and speech, and then you would have your video or image output ready for use. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.